Hey guys, it's your girl Tash. To all my subscribers, big up on yourself. You don't know, up. So I don't usually give my daughter the option when it comes to her hair, because she's at that stage right now where she challenges me. So I don't want to give her the upper hand. So today I'm just in that vibes. So I'm gonna ask her what she wants me to do to her hair today. Just this one time. So Angel.
Yes?
What you want me to do to your hair today?
Nothing much, just some cornrows.
You want cornrows?
Yes, please.
Like how much cornrows?
Only 2.
You want 2 cornrows? Just 2 cornrows? 2
Yeah.
cornrows going back? Okay, so do you want, what kind of cornrows you want? You want it with extensions?
Extensions.
You want it with extension? I knew you were gonna say that. You love too much extensions. You know, so you want 2 extension, you want the French plait, or you just want the normal cornrow?
I want the front flap.
The French plait. Okay, so I guess you guys are gonna learn how to French plait today. Okay, up. Angel, do the up sign for them. Yeah. So guys, doing a French plait is the opposite of a cornrow. So instead of going under with your fingers, with the French plait, you will go over instead. So you're going over with your plait and you're tucking them in. So I'm gonna show you guys how to do the French plait just with the natural hair first, so you guys can get the idea of it, and then I'll then show you how to do it with the extension after. So now I'm gonna put the extension in on this side, and I'm gonna follow the same process as I did before without the extension. So I'm gonna start with 3 pieces, and I'm gonna start to braid it over as if I'm doing an overhand plait. So a French plait is like doing an overhand plait. So now I'm going to show you guys how I put my extension in. Well, this is just my method. I'm not really sure how to teach it to you guys if you're a beginner, but there's some other methods that I can show you guys. So just drop a comment down below if you find this technique to be very hard or difficult. So I'm gonna start off with the natural hair. So I'm gonna French plait with the natural hair first, and when I get to about here, I'm gonna tuck my first piece of hair under. So when I'm tucking the hair under, I want to make sure that I hold it in place. So before I attempt to braid again, I'm going to make sure that I hold it into place with the hair that I'm grabbing in to the plait. So I want to make sure that piece of hair that I tuck under is being attached onto the hair that I'm pulling into the plait. It's good to kind of like just look underneath what you're doing, yeah, just to make sure. So when you change hands, you want to make sure that that hair is tucked under, and you look underneath properly what you're doing to make sure it's under, because it can slip out. So for me as a professional, you know, I find this very easy. Like this is my method. But if you're a beginner and you're finding it difficult, just drop a comment and let me know, because I do have some other technique that I can show you guys so that you don't have to feed the hair in. So just drop a comment, let me know. And I'm just here, I'm in quarantine right now, so I have a lot of time on my hands. Because I only used her natural hair with this one, I had to then go ahead and add some extensions to the end, you know, because she's like, mommy, you know, I got one with extensions and one without extensions, so I had to go ahead and add some extension, and I did it blue and red for her, and she loves it. You like it?
Yep. The best hair ever.
It's the best hairstyle ever.
Yeah.
Woo!
Bye. Subscribe. Comment down below about how you like my hair. See you later.